Hello. I think this is the first time I'm coming live in years. I definitely haven't come live ever since I joined this show. So, few of y'all I had promised कि birthday के दिन I will come live. So, मुझे अभी मौका मिला है कुछ टाइम के लिए. So I came live because I'm shooting non-stop. Thank you so much. अरे दादी अम्मा is here. का हालचाल? हम बहुत बढ़िया. I miss you. Doll 4674 happy birthday. Thank you. Lisa Rai 9 happy birthday. Thank you Lisa. Little Cutie 0610 happiest birthday Di. Thank you so much. Happiest birthday ma'am says Muskan. Thank you so much. Meghan admirers happy birthday. Thank you so much. Veda Sabah Khan hi. Mega Ray Addicted very happy birthday Angel, may you always stay happy. Thank you so much. Oh my god, so many birthday wishes. Hi Raymond, how are you? Happy birthday. Thank you okay. I want to first of all begin by thanking you all so much, each and every one of you. I have never in my life received so many birthday wishes. Okay, so I don't know, honestly, there's just so many of them. I don't know where to begin, whom to begin with, but I will get back to you all. I have been working non-stop, and it's the first time in my life I didn't even cut the cake at 12 at night. I was so exhausted, I went to sleep early. But I woke up to your birthday messages, your wishes, your edits, your videos, collages. I haven't got a chance to see everything, but I'm going to definitely find time and sit and watch everything, because there's nothing more important to me than the love people give me, that you guys give me. And अच्छा लगता है कि people whom I've never met, I have met in some different way, and I have a connection with them, and I can definitely feel it. So पता नहीं किस मुंह से थैंक यू कहूँ. आप सबका प्यार बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी देती है मुझे, एंड I wish to continue reciprocating in some way or the other the love that you all give me. I'm just doing my job. I'm trying to do my best on screen, but the love you all give me, I hope I can do something much more in return of that. Okay, birthday wishes are flooding. I'll read some of your messages right now. Jyoti says, I love you. I love you too. Happy birthday to you, Angel. Jagruti, happy birthday Di. Pratiksha Shines, happy birthday. Thank you. Megha Ray Addicted, we always love you. Thank you so much. Meghan ki Dunya, happy birthday Cutie. Thank you. Firdoz. Thank you Medha. Thank you Khushi. Thank you Kripa. Thank you Manisha. Mega Ray FC, we love you so much Di. Thank you so much. Happy birthday Di. Sanskruti Sathe, happiest birthday. Please check DMs and email. Okay, I will. I do try my best to keep a check on my DMs. I love Rani Veer. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Lots of love to you all right back. Wish you many happy returns of the day, says Aisha. Thank you. Lots of love from Snigdha. Thank you Snigdha. Okay. So I'm not used to doing live like this. So मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या बात करूँ. खुद के बारे में तो नहीं बात कर सकती ज़्यादा. So I'll tell you all what happened on set today. I was not well in the morning, but I came a little late. My parents gave me a surprise in the morning. They gave me a lot of gifts. We cut the cake. They made a sweet collage out of all my childhood pictures. So I clicked a picture with that and I put it on my story. After that, when we came on set, Faman and Debolina, my creative, and everybody together rushed in my room with the cake, and we cut the cake first. And Sangeeta ji, who's playing Vijaya in our show, was too sweet to buy biryani for me from her hotel. Actually, she got biryani for me for my birthday. So I love biryani, so I think I'm having a great day so far. Today's plan is working. I'm going to be shooting till, as much as I know, at least till 9 in the night minimum. I think उससे भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है. So yeah, hard work वाला day है. But you know, previous birthday I was lockdown में at home, so I know that was a tough phase. Although I did enjoy my birthday with my parents at that time, but आज एक अलग टाइप का बर्थडे मना रही हूँ काम करके, बीमारी के हालत में. सो आई थिंक दैट इज इंटरेस्टिंग. प्रति बोल दीजिए प्लीज. बोल दिया. विजय सेज हैप्पी बर्थडे. थैंक यू. मिस क्वीन 7766 हैप्पी बर्थडे. थैंक यू. काजल झा, यू सो हार्ड वर्किंग. गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू सो मच. When is your birthday celebration? I don't know. We are on a very tight schedule and we've been working. Honestly, I just found 15 minutes in between two shots, so I decided मुझे शायद मौका नहीं मिलेगा लाइव जाने में, तो अभी चली आती हूँ because I'd promised a few of you all that I will be coming live today, so I had to do this. राधिका बोल दीजिए. राधिका. अनन्या, happy birthday. Thank you. We love you so much, Queen. Thank you so much. Okay. So if there was any way I could send you all cake, I would do that. But I hope हम कभी मिले लाइफ में. Hey Rani, I love your character. Muskan. Thank you so much, Muskan. I love playing Rani too. Meghan obsessed. Cutie. Thank you. Hey, Karan is here. Hi, Karan. How are you doing, yeah? I see your very classy posts on Instagram. अच्छा लगता है देख के. और कौन है? Rani is telling me, there's a Rani here who's telling me I love your character. I like that. Thank you. I'm watching you with my mom. We love you. So sweet, Kaju. Thank you. I don't know what your name is. Yes? जी. Ready है? Okay. आ रही 2 मिनट में. फुर्सत ही नहीं मिलती, बुलाते रहते हैं मुझे. मैं क्या करूँ अभी बताओ. Please tell my name, Ayushi. Hi, Ayushi. Hi, Ranjana. Guys, so I tried to stay live as long as I could, but मुझे बुलावा आ गया है मेरा शूट के लिए. I'll have to go. And oh great, in Ladakh. Don't get jealous. That is amazing. I'm already jealous because why not? I've been shooting here in one place for a very long time, but I'll catch up with you soon. Thank you so much. Okay, so I've got to go now. बुला लिया है मुझे. काम करना ज़रूरी है और इसीलिए ज़रूरी है ताकि आप लोग देख पाए. कल का एपिसोड ही शूट कर रहे हैं हम. Okay, so thank you so much. I will try my best to catch up with you all again if something interesting is happening, but this is the only reason I came live was to thank you all from the deepest core of my heart. आप लोगों को आइडिया नहीं है how much it means to me, the love that you all give me, the support I have received ever since I have joined Apna Time Bhi Aayega, and I wish to continue working hard. I wish to continue doing things that make you all smile, make you all happy, and maybe experience a fictional life a little better. Thank you very much, and I'll try my best to live up to your expectations. Lots of love, and thank you so much for making my birthday so special. I will check everything as soon as I get some time. Love you all. Bye bye.